Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to download Ringtone on Android. Here are some steps to download a ringtone on Android using the Sedge app. First, open Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store app, then search for Sedge app and tap Install. Launch the Sedge app. Open the app after installation by tapping Open. Tap on the ringtone section. From the home screen, tap the menu icon or the ringtones tab. Search or browse for a ringtone. Use the search bar or scroll through categories, for example, trending, genres, or popular. Tap on the ringtone you like. Review it by tapping the play icon. If you like the ringtone, tap on it to reveal other options. Tap the download or set button. Hit the download icon or tap set if you want to apply it directly. Choose how to use it. Choose set ringtone, set notification, set alarm, or contact ringtone. So I'll tap on set to ringtone. Grant permission. Allow Sedge to modify system settings so it can apply the ringtone. So toggle it on to continue. And done. Your new ringtone is now active. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.